Hi, my name's Russ. This is an introductory video to a playlist that's being created. It's going to explain how to create a business selling greenhouses and also constructing them. Over the last 5 years, I've worked really hard to develop a whole bunch of greenhouse designs. I've set up the supply chain networks out of China and designed, a bunch of accessory and hardware components for greenhouse construction, and also have sold these greenhouses widely. So people have built them. I have several YouTube videos that show how to construct them. And what I want to do is simply offer you these designs. If you want them, you can take advantage of the supply chain that's involved. So I'm going to show you how to do all that. And if you want to buy wholesale products directly from the manufacturer, the supply chain's already set up, the designs are already there, and I can show you what I pay for the products and what I sell them for and what you can make doing construction. So this series of videos is going to go through that individually, starting with what is it we're looking at. So I hope you enjoy these series of videos. The objective is to create a more robust American population, individuals that are not cemented into hourly wages that are barely livable. This is your opportunity to create a business that you can make $300 an hour between your wife and you, your spouse, whoever, your partner, by building greenhouses for customers. They get a good deal, you get a good deal, and our economy and the environment gets a good deal. There are no downsides to this approach. So take a look at this series of videos. Even if you're not interested, I think there's some good information that can be gleaned from the videos that are a part of this series. Thank you for your time and good luck making a decision on taking advantage of this opportunity.